Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. It is time to start a new project. My kitty's gonna help. There she is right there. We're gonna make this cup because every party has a pooper. That's why we invited you and we made you your own cup. I think this is a great cup. It's even got a little surprise on the bottom. Look, little puppies. Okay, if you're curious to see how we did this, come along with me and watch the rest of this video. And we're back. So you saw me put the water slides on for my party pooper cup. And there's the guy on the bottom. I replaced this one with a, this one is a replacement for the first one I put in this spot because it had a little tear in it. So this was a better one. So I took the other one off. So I've got this cup all finished with the water slides, and now it's time to take my little $1 Dollar Tree bottle of Mod Podge that so far has lasted me a long time, although maybe I'm finally coming. No, there's some in there. Okay, so put a little Mod Podge out there, and then I'm going to take my shaped glitter, holographic brown poopies. Happy poopies, that's right, this is happy poopies. So there they are, got little faces on them. And I am going to put them on the cup with Mod Podge, which means that I'm going to put them down here on the counter. And I'm going to paint spots of Mod Podge on the cup and then use a toothpick. Use a toothpick to pick each one up using a little dot of glue. You'll see me do it. It's not that intricate or complicated until I start trying to describe it, right? Okay, here we go. There's not really a rhyme or reason. Actually, you know what? I'll just put some spots around. In some cases, I will be using the little guys to camouflage some problems. I had a couple spots when I was spray painting this cup where the spray paint got, I didn't realize I was spraying it as hard as I was. So there's a little drippage. That's not so bad, but there, that spot. So I'm gonna put some, well, I'm gonna put little poop emojis all, oh, and there's a bug that got kamikazed into my gloss clear final layer before I put the water slides on. I tried to get him out, but some of his guts stayed behind. So we're gonna put a little poop emoji over that one too. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So you just sit back and watch. I'll entertain you, hopefully. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, there's a spot. There we go. All righty. Party pooper cup ready to be sealed with spray matte clear sealer and then layer resin with some rainbow sparkles in it, of course, because right now it doesn't have any sparklies except for the holographic poopy emojis. So stay tuned for the big reveal.